Don't swim in a pool of sameness. Hi, I'm Laura. We're here at the Elite Wealth Advisor Symposium in Florida. So excited to be here. It has been like drinking from a fire hose of great ideas. One that I loved was from Chris Jepson of First Trust, who said 80% of internet traffic right now is either audio or video content. From video people, we loved that statistic. Let's get some other great ideas.
The top one I'm taking back is the work that was done by Andrea Schlapia and her team, talking about how to hire good people, put the right, if you will, people in the right seats. And then who could not take something from Kevin O'Leary yesterday at 5 p.m. I gained 2 or 3 good points that I'm taking back to look at in terms of our investment policy and how we're looking at the economy and the sectors that we invest in.
Bring your A game to everything you do. Be so well prepared, okay, and make sure you got your wow factor in high gear.
While the content of the conferences is always superb, the real takeaways for me are the conversations one-on-one with the other advisors.
On day one, Chris Jepson with First Trust gave a really compelling presentation. And one of the things he said was, if you want more referrals, be more referable. And he actually explained what be more referable means. And he said it means to exceed your client's expectations.
Kevin O'Leary from the Shark Tank. I was excited to see, because a lot of my presentation is about candidates wanting to work remotely. And he gave a great story, I don't know if anyone heard it, about having to hire a CFO fully remote, even though he didn't want to, but that's just kind of the way the environment is right now.
40% of employees are looking for a new job right now. So if you're not paying attention to what impact you're making on your team members, it's kind of a thing now. 70% of engagement is impacted by the manager. So if your team members are disengaged, look at who is managing them and how much feedback. If you're not shifting your mind from boss to coach, I want to encourage you to do that.
So Andrea from Ironstone was like probably the best speaker that I saw here. And the main reason why is because most advisors, when they hire somebody, they don't have a career path. And one of the first things that she said was, before you ever hire, you should know where that person could end up becoming in your organization. And I think that kind of foresight is so powerful that most advisors don't have.
Just today, Shannon Waller, so I've been a strategic coach for 10 years, and Shannon presented some concepts from Dan Sullivan's class. And she did 10 times, which I've heard before, but my takeaway today was it's taking your revenue today and multiplying it times 10 and saying, when are you going to get there? How's that look like? And that's a big number. And for a lot of advisors or people in general, it's like, holy crap, how am I going to get there?
I gain a good number of ideas, but if I try to implement more than 1 or 2, I really won't make much progress in my practice.
At Idea Decanter, we love finding out what creative and innovative concepts advisors are learning. You want to know why? Because then we can work that into your video marketing strategy.